here with our version 6 STI, and we have now decided a fate for this car. And that fate is...
How he's done that, but all right, boys.
Not really the nicest day for a convertible. I think we've nailed this concept, and I think we're ready for SEMA now, pretty much.
I think we've succeeded in what we wanted to do.
Let's fucking roll. This is not good. We need to find somewhere that we can turn around without brakes being needed.
It's custom e-brake.
I don't want these guys to hear our brakes dragging.
Yeah.
Crop top STI. Woo.
It just feels like you're living a different life.
Yeah, this is living right here. This is living.
Yo, I didn't know that. Fucking, do you see that? If the air vapes.
Oh, no way. Vape air.
Holy fuck.
Wow.
There's a tow truck coming.
Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
Get in. Run away.